Hello everyone, welcome to SCI-EASE. We have done what are acids, what are bases, and what are indicators. Now we will study in this video about the chemical properties of acids. So first chemical property of acid, that is the reaction of acids with metals. You know that there are many metals in the periodic table. How these acids react with them, that I am going to tell you. Now, whenever any metal react with an acid, this will result in the formation of salt and hydrogen gas. This is the general equation. Now, when I take some metal and some acid, suppose here I am taking zinc granules. Zinc granules I have taken. I have added HCl, hydrochloric acid, to it. The result will be salt and hydrogen gas. Which salt will be formed? Chloride that will be formed. Okay? Chloride, that is zinc chloride, will be formed plus hydrogen. Okay? Because hydrogen is a gas, we put arrow pointing upward. This we have done in the chapter Chemical Reactions, first chapter. Now, first we will see that this equation is balanced or not. This equation is balanced or not. This equation is not balanced. Here it is 2Cl and here it's 1. Here 2 hydrogen and 1. So how we will balance it? We will put 2 in front of HCl. Now the equation is balanced. Balancing is must because no substance that can be destroyed or formed during the chemical reaction. This we have done. So this equation is balanced. We can take any other metal. Suppose I am taking this iron. Okay, iron is Fe, and here I am putting sulfuric acid to it. This is the displacement reaction. You have seen that this is the displacement. Okay? Because zinc is more reactive than this hydrogen, it will displace hydrogen from HCl. For this, you are to remember the reactivity series. This is the reactivity series. That is, first member, most reactive one is potassium, then sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, carbon, zinc, iron, tin, lead. Then comes the hydrogen. And the metals which are less reactive than hydrogen, they are copper, silver, and gold. Okay? So this is the reactivity series. The metals which are above hydrogen, they are more reactive than hydrogen. Okay, they are more reactive than hydrogen. So zinc is more reactive. Here it's zinc. Okay, and this will displace hydrogen from this HCl and take the position and result in the formation of the salt. This is the formation of a salt plus hydrogen gas that will be formed. Okay. So first, you are to remember this activity series. I will tell you very important and very easy method to remember this. This is potassium, starts from P. So please, sodium, S, stop. Calcium, C, A, then it's calling. Magnesium, M, aluminium, then carbon, careless, zinc, zebra, iron. It starts from I. So instead, this is tin. Tin. SN is tin. So try lead. Okay. Learning. Hydrogen, how. Copper, copper. Ag is silver. So it saves. And this is AU is gold. So please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper saves gold. So with this, you can remember the reactivity series. This is must. You must remember it. Then and then only you can tell the products whether the salt will be formed when any metal reacts with the acid or not. So here I have taken iron. So you can see that iron is more reactive than hydrogen. So it can displace hydrogen of sulfuric acid and results in the formation of iron sulfate. If it is Cl, hydrogen chloride, then chlorides will be formed. If it is sulfuric acid, then sulfates that will be formed. And if it is nitric acid, then nitrates they will be formed. Okay, salts. There are many salts. Salt is not only the salt which you use in the kitchen. It is not always NaCl. There are many salts in the chemistry. There are carbonates, bicarbonates, sulfates, chlorides, nitrates. So all these are the salts. ये एक misconception नहीं ले लेनी कि salt means नमक है और जो कि NaCl. Clear? So this is the way how you can remember the reactivity series. So what will be the product again? There will hydrogen that will be formed. So here I have drawn the preparation. There is figure 2.1 in your textbook. This is the reaction of the zinc granules with sulfuric acid. Okay. Here I have taken HCl. When I will take sulfuric acid, then also hydrogen gas that will be formed. This is very important diagram from examination point of view, and testing of hydrogen, that is again very important, that I am going to tell you just now. First, I have taken this conical flask. You can take test tube also, put some zinc granules in it, and then put sulfuric acid. Now, close this, the mouth of the conical flask or the test tube with the cork, and this is the delivery tube. And delivery tube, that is, will be the end of the delivery tube that will be dipped in the soap solution which is taken in the trough. Okay, this is a soap solution. When the reaction that will start, the bubbles will start forming. They will go from this, okay, pass through the delivery tube, and then the soap bubbles which are filled with hydrogen gas, they will be evolved. Okay, this you can observe that soap bubbles which are filled with hydrogen gas, they will be evolved. This is the preparation of hydrogen gas in the laboratory. Okay, so what is the method? How you can judge that this is the hydrogen gas? There are different tests for all the gases. Okay, like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, they are tests. How we can test these gases? How we can confirm our observation? So here hydrogen is evolved. You bring a burning candle or a splinter. Okay, suppose this is a candle. Burning candle or splinter or matchstick just near the bubbles of this hydrogen gas. Okay, what you will observe? That the candle will burn with the pop. There is specific sound that will be produced. The burning candle will, or burning splinter, that will burn with a pop. So hydrogen gas produces popping sound. This you are to remember. So I think the things, they are very, very clear to you, very much clear to you, that when the metals which are more reactive than hydrogen, they react with an acid, the result is the formation of salt and hydrogen gas. Okay? And this is the reactivity series. Now I am taking another example. I am taking this copper. Okay? Copper plus HCl. What will be the result? Copper plus HCl. You will say that copper chloride plus hydrogen that is formed. No, this will not be formed. No reaction. You will write here, no reaction will take place. Why? Because copper is less reactive than hydrogen. Copper is less reactive than hydrogen. It cannot displace hydrogen from HCl. So here no reaction that will take place. So this is the reaction of the metals. You can take any metal. Okay? You can take any metal. The reaction will be like this. There will be formation of some salt and hydrogen gas. I think this is clear to you. Now we will take second chemical property of acids. Chemical property of acids is reaction of acids with metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates. Okay? So here, first you should know what are carbonates. You must have heard sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate. Okay? In the same way, there are bicarbonates also, or they are known as hydrogen carbonates also. Metal hydrogen carbonates. Okay? So, I will first form the formula of some of the carbonates and bicarbonates, how they are formed, and then you will understand the whole concept. The general chemical equation for the reaction of the metal carbonates with acid is, here salt, water and carbon dioxide gas. It's again a gas, put upward arrow. So here carbon dioxide and water and salt, they are formed. In the same way, when metal bicarbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates, they react with acid, salt, water and carbon dioxide, same products you will see, they are formed. First, I will tell you formula of sodium carbonate, how that is made. Sodium is a metal, okay? Sodium, that is a metal. It has valency 1. Carbonate, that has negative -2 charge. Okay? When we will cross it, what will be the result? Here, sodium 2, this 2 will come on the foot of sodium. And how about this carbonate? CO3, it has valency 1. So, sodium has valency 1. So, we will not put 1. So, the formula that will be Na2CO3. In the same way, when there is sodium bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate is CO3 -1. Okay? And here it is Na. what will be the result? What will be the result? The result will be Na. It's again 1, it has valency. Here also 1, so the formula will be NaHCO3. You can form the formula of calcium carbonate or magnesium carbonate also. Calcium has +2 valency, magnesium also has +2 valency. If you take aluminium, it has +3 valency. Accordingly, the formula of the carbonates and bicarbonates that will be formed. So the general equation I have told you that metal carbonate, when they react with acid, salt, water and carbon dioxide is formed. And when metal hydrogen carbonates or metal bicarbonates, they react with the acid, then salt, water and carbon dioxide, same products, they will be formed. So this is, I will take one example, that is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is first example, that is Na2CO3 plus HCl. This will result, because it is HCl, so chloride of sodium, that is NaCl plus water plus carbon dioxide, that will be formed. Okay, is this equation balanced? Is this equation balanced? No, sodium is here 2, here it's 1. So I will put 2, it will be 2. Okay, carbon 1, oxygen 3. Okay, so hydrogen, here it will be 2. Okay, now this equation that is balanced. Next is sodium hydrogen carbonate. So it has formula NaHCO3 plus HCl. This will result in the formation of same products, that is NaCl plus water plus carbon dioxide, they will be formed. And this equation that is already balanced. We need not balance the equation. Okay, so this is one example. Now I want to tell you, we have done about the test for the hydrogen gas. We bring a burning splinter or a burning candle near the hydrogen gas, it will burn with a pop. Here, what is the test for carbon dioxide? Okay, when you open the bottle of Campa Cola or then Pepsi, Sprite, etc., you see that some gas that is coming out, that gas is carbon dioxide. Visualize that. That gas is carbon dioxide and it comes out in the form of the effervescence. Okay, effervescence, झाग झाग सी निकलेगी. Okay, so when you put HCl2 sodium carbonate, the result will be formation of the carbon dioxide gas, and this carbon dioxide that comes out in the form of effervescence. Okay, that you can perform this activity in the chemistry lab also. Very simple. Take baking soda, put HCl, okay, and then the gas which will come out, that is the carbon dioxide in the form of effervescence, it will come. So what is the test for carbon dioxide? That is lime water test. That is lime water test. What is lime water? Lime water is calcium hydroxide. So when carbon dioxide gas, formula of calcium hydroxide is CaOH whole twice. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, this is a clear solution. Okay, this solution of lime water, that is a clear solution. When we pass carbon dioxide through it, the solution will become milky. Why milky? Because of the formation of calcium carbonate plus water, they will be formed. So this formation of the calcium carbonate, this will produce milky solution. Milky solution means like milk. That will not remain clear solution. If we go on passing this carbon dioxide gas to this solution, okay, milky solution, what will be the result? The result is the formation of calcium hydrogen carbonate or calcium bicarbonate, which is again a clear solution or a colorless solution. Okay, the milkiness that will disappear. Milkiness that will disappear. Why? Because from calcium carbonate, now the product formed is calcium hydrogen carbonate. So this is a very important test for this carbon dioxide. Sometimes the equations, indirect equations, they can be asked in your board exam, not direct one. Tell the solution, tell the salt which is formed when lime water reacts with carbon dioxide, name that salt, write the equation for that like this. Okay, so this is very important. We can test this lime water test, we can perform by blowing. We exhale carbon dioxide by blowing in the test tube containing lime water. What will be the result? What will be the result? It will turn milky. Okay? The lime water that will turn milky. Another thing I want to tell you about carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, when you are in 6th or 7th class, you perform the activity, you take the burning candle, put that burning candle should come in contact with the carbon dioxide, you will see that the candle that will extinguish. Extinguish means bujh jayegi. Why? Because carbon dioxide, it acts as a fire extinguisher. Okay, it acts as a fire extinguisher. There is firefighting instrument that is installed in big buildings, then in your school, etc. The reaction that takes place there is NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate plus HCl, they are separate. When some nozzle that is pulled, then the reaction both will mix together, result in the formation of this reaction, carbon dioxide will be formed, and when carbon dioxide that is thrown on the building which has caught fire, that will extinguish. Okay, so carbon dioxide acts as a fire extinguisher. That is also the test, but mainly the chemical test in the laboratory we perform, that is lime water test. Okay, in junior classes you must have heard that we blow in the lime water and that will turn milky. Okay, we don't do the chemical reactions there, but here in class 10 you should know the chemical reactions, how and what that is formed, how the chemical reaction takes place, and what are the products formed after the chemical reaction. Now, I will take second example, that is calcium carbonate. Now, calcium carbonate formula CaCO3. Why? +2 here valency, -2 here valency, cross it, it will come out to be CaCO3. So, when we add HCl, what will be the result? This will result in the formation of CaCl2, calcium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. You should balance it. Now, the equation is balanced. Okay, so you must balance the chemical equation. Without balancing, that equation is not complete. Now you will write the products of this reaction. CaHCO3 whole twice. This is the formula of calcium hydrogen carbonate. When HCl is added to it, what will be the result? This you will write in the comment section. So with this, my video about the chemical reactions, that is not finished. Some chemical reactions, they are still there, but here I will explain only the two chemical properties of the acids. Okay, in next video I will explain other properties of acids. Till then, thank you very much.